Basketball is a fun and exciting sport that many people enjoy playing. It's played with a round ball and two teams, each with 5 players. The aim of the game is to score points by throwing the ball through a high hoop called a basket. To play basketball, you need a basketball court with a hoop at each end. The court is usually rectangular in shape, and there are markings on the floor to show where players can move and where different parts of the game take place. The game starts with a jump ball at the center of the court. The referee tosses the ball into the air, and players from each team try to catch it and gain possession. Once a team has the ball, they try to score by dribbling, bouncing the ball while running or passing it to teammates. When a player gets close enough to the basket, they can try to shoot the ball into the hoop. If the ball goes through the hoop, their team gets points. A regular field goal is worth 2 points, but if the shot is taken from beyond a certain distance, the 3-point line, it's worth 3 points. Players can also score points by making free throws. These are shots taken from a specific line while the other players stand aside. Free throws are usually awarded after a foul is committed by the opposing team. Basketball is a fast-paced game with a lot of movement and teamwork. Players need to work together to pass the ball, set screens, and defend against the other team. It's a great way to stay active, improve coordination, and have fun with friends. Overall, basketball is a popular sport that's easy to understand and offers a lot of excitement for players and spectators alike.